Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. After much request, I've got a really big list of projects that I need to look at, but this has been shot at me a few times, so I'm just going to do some technical analysis on it now for you guys. This is Lit, L-I-T, USD, and this is the ticker there, LIT USD, and it's calculated by TradingView from Binance. This got a little bit more information on it than the USDT on Binance, but we're just going to dive into the price action here, guys. I don't need to worry you with the fundamentals because you already know about those. That's why you're here looking at the video, guys. So I don't want to bore you with the fundamentals. It's just, you know how it is on this channel: price action, price action, price action. So you can see basically we've gone up there since February, since its inception down here. And it's gone astronomical, really. It's shot right up. But what are we looking at now? Okay, so we shot right up, okay, and we hit that plateau just there. There was initial listing there as well, but you can ignore that. So this is our current high, okay? So we'll drop a level on there, guys, on that high. Currently, we're looking at a target of roughly $15. Okay, that's our all-time high for Lit. So what we're going to do, just drop some trend lines in there, guys. You can see we've come down a little bit from that high, and we formed this bearish cross here, and then we've come down. You can see we've been under the EMAs there, repressing us, and we're in a bit of a downtrend there, caught in a downtrend. But then since its bottom here, we've got a little bit of a double bottom going on there, guys, like that. You see that? So that's a trend reversal. So since we bottom down there, we do look to form this new trend, guys, on the way up here. So we'll drop a trend line in here. Okay, so it looks something like that. And when you drop your trend lines, do try and get as many touches as you can, guys. So that's a trend just there, okay? So obviously that's, at the moment, that looks like the trend. And it looks like a bit of resistance as we're moving up in this trend. So I'm just going to drop a support line as well in here, guys, since we formed this new trend for Lit. So again, get as many touches as you can. So we look like that, guys. So we're forming something called like a broadening channel there, okay? But what else I've noticed here, draw your attention to this potential pattern here, which is a very bullish pattern, guys, and we are potentially forming a pattern that looks a little bit like that, guys. Okay, see that? So this is the 4-hour time frame, guys. Again, there's not much trading information for it, so I'm just dropping the 4-hour on because you can see more of what's going on. So as you can see in this broadening channel here, we are in this upper level channel as resistance. We've had multiple touches there, guys, since we reversed the trend down here, the double bottom. We got through the EMAs. We had a bullish cross just there, guys. See that bullish cross on the 4-hour? That's a very bullish sign. As you can see, it gave us a lot of momentum. Then we at the top of the channel, we got hit a bit of resistance there, and we fell back down. We fell through the EMA there on the price action. The price action had a bounce there, so we didn't get the bearish cross on the EMAs, which is good. We had a bit of a bounce there, and as you can see, it's pushed us back up. We do seem to be hitting our head on this ceiling here, but I want to draw your attention to is this particular pattern here, guys. This on a 4-hourly time frame, this looks very much like a cup and handle pattern like that, guys. See that? So that's the cup. This is a neckline of the cup. We formed the handle already, okay, and we broke out of the neckline. And what we did, we came back and we tested the neckline as support. Do you see that, guys? So we broke through just there. We went up, we come back down, tested it as support, and now we're pushing up and we're hitting this trend line here as some form of resistance. Once we break that trend line, guys, we do have a nice target on Lit, and I'll drop that target in for you now, and it does look something like this. We go something like that, drop it down to the arc of the cup like that, you see, and you will see that shrink because we're on a logarithmic scale. So basically where we break out, potentially there, or what point we break out is where you move your target up, okay? So say we was to break out there, you can see we are forming a bit of a wick there. We've hit a bit of resistance on that channel. But once we break out of there on Lit, we are potentially going to see a pump, guys, up there to that level for Lit. Up there at $16.88 roughly for Lit. We will push up. We will break that previous high there, guys. Again, not an exact science, not financial advice. This is just a potential play for the patterns that we see in the charts, okay? Failing that, if we was to break down, you would target these levels in this channel as support, and I would definitely be looking at this neckline as support as well, guys. So you may see us break down, guys, and just test support. So we do something like this in this channel, okay, and just creep up until we do eventually get to that target there. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drop a Fibonacci in here as well, guys. So on the Fibonacci, we know that we went from the top and that was our bottom, okay, just there. So you can see from the top there, we went down, we bottomed out, and then we started to push them. And as you can see, on each Fibonacci level there, we have hit resistance on the way up. And you can see just now we are hitting that golden ratio just there at the 0.618, and that's at $10.79. So we are kind of just pushing above that, which is good. You can see we had that wick there on the 4 hour. We hit the ceiling, but we have pushed through it. So that's really good that we've pushed through it. And again, you may see us come back now and test this 0.618 as support for lit, L-I-T, moving forward. Failing that, I would target these levels here on this Fibonacci as support, because we've broke through the levels here on the way up. Then once we get that, as you can see over here in the chart, when we were falling, we will come back up and in our head on this 0.786 level, guys. So that will be another area that we will push through, and you may see a level of resistance there. So potentially what's on the cards for lit. Okay, so we may break through this broadening channel here, guys. Okay, this channel that we find ourselves in, which is bullish, because we're moving up, we're making higher highs and high lows. Do you see this? High lows there, that's a high low, high low, high low. A high high, a high high, a high high. So it's a very good trade, okay? On the 4 hourly time frame, it's upwards momentum. We're back testing the EMAs there, support. You can see we went up, back tested. We did fall through that correction there with obviously the Bitcoin correction, but immediately got brought back up. We bounced off the bottom of this support now. This channel is support. So if we wasn't to get through this, then I would definitely target at these levels as support moving forward. But the trend looks really strong for lit. You may potentially see a bit of resistance at this level now of this support, of this resistance in this channel, and it may hit its head, come back down, hit the 0.618 again, and then bounce back up. Failing that, you may see it come back down and test this neckline, guys. So it's something to definitely keep an eye on. But it does look bullish. It looks like this trend here has been reversed. We had the double bottom there, and we're moving up now in a new trend. Okay, guys, so it's really bullish, and potentially we are looking to get to that target of $6.88 for lit in this bull market. So from this position right now, that is up there, that is a 51% trade, guys, and that could potentially play out anytime, guys, off that cup and handle pattern that we've found there in the channel. You can see in the RSI though, we are slightly overbought there, guys. So we are looking at a little bit of a correction. You can see previously when we were overbought, we have that little pullback there. So again, you know, you may see us hitting our head on this ceiling here, rolling back over, the RSI coming back to a medium level, bouncing off his 0.618, guys, and then keep moving up. But do keep an eye on this channel here, this resistance line here in this new broadening channel that we're trading in, because that also is equally acting as some form of resistance. Like I said, once we get through that, then I would be targeting a push up to there, and obviously resistance on these Fibonacci levels moving up, guys. So that's lit. I hope you enjoyed the video. What I'll do, I'm just going to drop a little Fibonacci on these levels here, guys, and see where potentially we may fall back to if this is an impulsive wave of a Fibonacci. So you know how we do it in the channel, guys. So this is our bottom, and this is our impulsive wave. It looks as though we may have topped out on the impulsive, but that's a very strong impulsive wave, by the way, guys. So we are expecting a bit of a pullback from that level. So potentially you could target these levels here, these Fibonacci levels, as support on the way down if we was to correct, and then you'd be looking at another impulsive wave, guys. So you can see where the 0.618 here, it's literally sitting on this neckline, okay, of this cup and handle. So we may see a correction down to that level there, guys, on that 0.618, which currently sits at $9.07. Failing that, you know, this trend is very strong. This uptrend is really, really strong. So you may just see us pull back to the 0.50, which is down there, guys. So again, just target these levels on your Fibonacci, guys. You know how to do that. I've taught you that in the channel, guys. Just target these levels for support each time it falls back to. But if it was to fall back down to that 0.618, guys, that's a really, really strong buy zone in my opinion, because this trend's really good. Look, from there is really, really strong, guys. So yeah, that's lit, guys. I hope you like that price prediction. Failing that, if we was to fall down, then I would target the previous highs as support, guys. You know how we target those support levels. So that's just a quick price prediction for lit, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and smash that like button, and yeah, please share the videos, and also please check out our Telegram group, guys. It's really buzzing in there. There's a big community of crypto enthusiasts in there sharing all sorts of ideas and technical analysis and coins that are just coming to market and all that kind of stuff. So happy Sunday, guys. Hope you have a good Sunday. Catch you soon. Bye bye.